Disclaimer: the SCP that will be discussed alters information. Therefore, the topic in this video won't clearly reflect information currently known. An attempt will be made to correct false information in a following video. However, that audio might be distorted as to prevent corruption. Message receipt unsuccessful. Please wait for retransmission. Item number: SCP-488-JP. Object Class: Euclid. Special Containment Procedures. Instances of SCP-488-JP are to be contained in a low-risk biological containment chamber in Site-81. Personnel are to feed them approximately twice a day. In order to maintain their population, personnel are to assist the activities or propagation of SCP-488-JP. Currently, 14 instances of SCP-488-JP have been contained by the Foundation. Personnel who work with SCP-488-JP should make visual contact at least once with the instances, images, videos of them. For submitting questions or requesting redaction of this document, make contact with Information Management Team Red Riding Hood through Containment Chief. Description: SCP-488-JP is a designation for a species of gray wolf, Canis lupus. SCP-488-JP are capable of altering information and will modify the information about the entities by their abilities. Documents, audio data, real voice are regarded as information media. The information lacks an objective point of view. It describes SCP-488-JP as violent and cruel werewolves. The ability is restricted to form a partial alteration and addition. All attempts to restore altered data have led to further alteration. SCP-488-JP came to the Foundation's attention following the fact that despite a widespread rumor about werewolves in the perimeter of Mt. in Japan, none of the instances were observed. Further investigation revealed the information-altering ability of SCP-488-JP, and all of the instances were contained. SCP-488-JP instances for species of gray wolf have poor physical abilities. It is considered important for SCP-488-JP to manifest the ability in order to survive. Experimental Log 4881. Date 2000. Subject: SCP-488-JP. Experimental Procedure: D-3793 was told to enter the containment chamber. Result: no anomalous effect manifested by physical contact. D-3793 would say something when he saw SCP-488-JP, but his word was converted into a roar. Addendum: coloring the altered text into red has not led to further alteration of the information. For detailed background, see Investigation Log 488. Relation between candid chromatic vision and alteration trend in each font attributes. Presently, information about SCP-488-JP has always been monitored for alteration and subjected to coloring treatment in order to avoid confusion. Retransmission of message confirmed. Received successfully. Displaying message. Automated notification. This document was prepared by Information Management Team Red Riding Hood. Edit authority is restricted to the team members. While you read the document, keep in mind to read only red-colored characters.